Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Honorable Governor Sahab, thank you so much for being a part here today. And heartiest congratulations to all the police officers. I'll just tell you all one thing. We have a school, which is Lexicon Rainbow School. That school is basically for special needs children. That is probably one of the one project which is very, very close to my heart. And there's something interesting that happened in the last event, that the children, when they went on the stage to perform, the student was there, and because she was a special child, she could not hold the mic and she could not talk. What I noticed was the other students who were there, also special children, they dropped their mics, they went to this child and they started patting the back of the child and wanted this child to speak. I said, wow, what a way to lead life. So हम जब ये पुलिस में हों या किसी भी जगह हों और हम अपने साथ में लोगों को उतना ही प्रोत्साहन दें और उनको आगे ले जाएं, and when we retire at the end, we'll realize what an immense journey it has been. साथ में लोगों को लेके चलने में. So आज आपको अवार्ड्स मिल रहे हैं because you all have done something nice. But जिनको नहीं मिले उनको भी साथ लेके चलना, हो सकता है नेक्स्ट टाइम वो यहाँ बैठे हों because of your contribution. So Pune, and Amitesh sir has done a fantastic job, the Commissioner of Police. Sir, I have noticed when we started this school many years ago, we had 80 students. Suddenly from 80 we became 400 students in 1 year's time. 80 से 400 जब होता है ना, तो पूरा स्कूल का कल्चर चेंज हो जाता है, हर चीज़ चेंज हो जाती है. And at that time to implement discipline, to implement the right values, to implement right things becomes very, very difficult. Now this happens also to cities. When it comes to law and order, suddenly you are having so much space और अब आपका क्षेत्र बढ़ गया, लोग बढ़ गए, population बढ़ गया. Believe me, it's not an easy job to do law and order, maintain law and order. But this person sitting here with all of you all together, what a phenomenal team it has been. So very good, sir. जो आपने किया, you've done a fantastic job. Pune Mirror has been, like what Neeraj said, has been outstanding. I'll tell you why. Because you all may just get a shock when I say this. Pune Mirror in the last 3 months have reached 404 million people. 404, which means 40 crore. 40 crore reaches Pune Mirror and Civic Mirror together has got in the last 3 months. हमारी देश की population 100 crore होगी. But just imagine what a reach. So Pune Mirror digital team, what a phenomenal job you all have done. Keep it up and just go on and do better things in life. I'm so glad we are launching the Mumbai edition. We wanted to go to Mumbai. We wanted to do some disruption there, and we'll be going there and we'll be creating something interesting there. And our team has become big. We've recently got Shobha Day also has joined our editorial team. So we've also got now people in Delhi who are sitting there. Pune Mirror is growing, and thanks to all of y'all, that such a beautiful thing is happening with Pune Mirror also. And one last thing before I end. गवर्नर साहब को मैं जब मिला भी था, पहले भी मिला था, बहुत सारी चीज़ों पे डिस्कशन हुआ, एजुकेशन पे डिस्कशन हुआ, स्पोर्ट्स पे डिस्कशन हुआ. ही इज़ अ मल्टी फैसेटेड पर्सन, एंड म्यूज़िक पर बात कर सकते हैं. ही कैन टॉक ऑन अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. बट व्हाट आई हैव रियलाइज्ड इज दैट समथिंग दैट वी शुड लर्न फ्रॉम हिम, that he's reached to that height, सब कुछ पा भी लिया, लेकिन फिर भी he's so grounded, so humble. This is something that we have to learn from you, sir. You've done a fantastic job, and sir, we are very proud to have a governor like you in Maharashtra. So thank you very much and heartiest congratulations once again. आप लोगों को award मिल रहा है, and घर जाके ऐश कीजिएगा. Thank you so much.